Great guide on how to get rid of snoring. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, so why doesn't he do something about it? That song was written in the days before effective treatments for snoring, but today there is such a variety of options that it would be silly to just ignore your problem. Read on to find some tips to help you beat the snoring demon once and for all. If you are a snorer, there's a chance that you are unaware of it. Always take into account your partner, as they probably have to deal with it throughout the night, so don't get angry if they complain about your snoring. This is always a good time to talk to each other and try to figure out a solution. If you want to stop snoring, don't consume alcohol just before bed. While alcohol is okay to have with dinner or even later in the evening, if you have it just before bed, it will make all of your muscles relax, including those that keep your nasal passages fully open. You'll have less airflow, and you'll snore. Avoid alcohol and sleeping pills to avoid snoring. These depressants make your throat relax more than it should, and that causes snoring. They can also cause sleep apnea, a potentially fatal condition that can cause you to stop breathing during sleep. Avoid these depressants for a good night's sleep. If you want to stop snoring, don't drink that glass of warm, or cold, milk at bedtime. Dairy beverages can make your nose generate more mucus, which will block your air passages, which will cause you to snore. Drinking water instead will keep your nose from blocking, and will keep you from snoring. While it may seem strange, you should wash or replace your pillows frequently to prevent snoring. If your snoring is allergy related, your pillows, which can house dust mites, dander, and other allergens, may be the culprits. Regular laundering or purchasing fresh pillows will keep these allergens to a minimum. Alternately, try hypoallergenic cases for your pillows. This video has laid out many simple, effective and affordable options for treating snoring which anyone can get access to. It can be as simple as losing weight or possibly having to buy a CPAP machine, but no matter what, you may be able to find something which works for you if you try out these tips. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.